Hey there! In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook using your mobile phone. If you're tired of entering codes every time you log into Facebook, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the latest version. Once you've opened the app, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, please tap on Settings option. In the Settings menu, tap on Security and Login. In the Security and Login menu, you'll see the Use Two-Factor Authentication option. Tap on it. Now you'll see the option to turn off two-factor authentication. Simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it and tap Turn Off button again to confirm your action. You'll now be asked to enter your Facebook password. This is to confirm that it's you making the changes. Enter your password and tap on Continue. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now turned off on your Facebook account. You'll no longer be asked to enter codes when logging into your account.